Did I really just get these for free? Pretty much. I think it was like 90% off. Like, holy crap. Holy crap. That's crazy. Yo, why are we here at this dead Puente Hills Mall? Because if you are new to my channel, they do have a Champs outlet. And we gotta check it out. Primary reason I came here, see if they have anything new, any restocks, and anything crazy. They do have some crazy deal on Mitchell & Ness stuff right now. And it's been a few days since I've been here. And we'll get to the Mitchell & Ness stuff in just a minute. Seeing if there's anything I missed last week. Like these cross-color shorts going for $5. Does have the HBCU stuff on it, which is fire. $5. They got hoodies going for $10. They got some $10 stuff right here as well. This is all the cross-color brand stuff. Pretty fire. Vans hoodies, if you guys are Vans fans, $10. Got their classic off the wall logo right there. Pretty fire. Got some jorts going for $5. Jean shorts for $5. If you need a sports bra, they got Jordan sports bras, normally $38, going for $10. Sizing is limited. They're all extra small things. They got shirts for women, go for $20. That is a Jordan shirt right there. Or what do you call that? I don't know. It's like a swimsuit bottom. I don't know. And is that Tech Fleece going for $40? Tech Fleece for $40? Kid shorts going for $10 and under. I think this is all mostly CSG stuff, Champs sports gear, which is pretty legit in quality. I remember when that line came out, I think it was early summer. I want to say it was earlier this year. That looks fire. That looks different from most of the other Adidas apparel. $40 for those hoodies, not bad. They got the matching pants right here, as well as in black, going for $30. Got Adidas sweats right here, down to $20. Got runners down to $30. Okay, track pants, I don't know. $30 though. Nike basketball t-shirts. Oh my goodness, this stuff is hella fire. I thought that was Mitchell & Ness. Normally $35, $10. Got a couple of Booker t-shirts, pretty fire. More Nike basketball stuff right here. Normally $35. These are all $10. All kinds of Nike t-shirts. Bunch of different colors, bunch of different graphics on them. This one's kind of interesting right here. And all of these going for $10, so not too bad. All kinds of Nike hoodies going for $30. Got a bunch of different kinds. These normally go for $70. I want to say these are what, dark yellow? These are normally $70. These go for $30. Lightning bolt Nike sign down to $30. They still got this one right here. This is the small Lakers Pro Standard. Normally $100, down to $30. Pretty fire. Also got this Pro Standard one as well. And what size is this one? This is an XL. This kind of reminds me of the merch from Shoe Palace. They have the Scarface merch. Kind of reminds me of that. But yeah, normally $110, down to $30 XL. Then yeah, a bunch of different Nike hoodies, all $30, not bad. And do got a bunch of Nike sweats right here. This is actually pretty dope. This camo right here. These are normally $75. These are down to $30. I think they have these in various sizes right here. No, these are all large. These look like they're all large. And they have sweats in different colors. They got some shorts right here. These are actually, ooh, these are pretty nice. These are normally $65, down to $30. Got some other colorways right here. All right, we're gonna see how much of that Mitchell & Ness stuff, but they got these UGG shirts. These are so freaking soft. Holy cow. These are going for $20. Normally these go for, wow, $68. Normally $68, they're down to $20. They got them in black, which is pretty dope. The black's actually pretty cool. Then they got this color right here. What the hell are like? What are dudes gonna wear that with? Really? Because these are all men's. Like this gray one's not bad. I just don't know if I would wear it. Like it is super soft. It's probably like one of these softest shirts you can get. I'm curious about sizing. Medium large. I think medium large XL on these two right here. Oh, they do got CSG socks right here. These are so freaking nice. Oh, these are the Adidas ones right here. But yeah, these right here, these are so freaking thick. This is just one pair. Ain't no original price tag. These normally ain't cheap, but yeah, these are all going for 10 bucks. Got multiple colorways right here. All right, not bad. Got orange ones. Showed these to you guys just a few days ago. Man, they still do have the Mitchell and S. Those are the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, the Bel-Air Academy shorts. Those are going for $20. Those are $20. Those are normally like 100 or 110 or something, way overpriced. And then they have the Authentics. They have the Authentics right there, the UNC Authentic shorts. Those are $125. They got them for $20, which is freaking insane. Looks like behind that they do have, I think that's the Toronto Raptors jersey right there. I don't know if it's Chinese. It doesn't look like the Chinese New Year's one. Got an Orlando Magic shorts right there. They got a Toronto Raptors behind that. Then they have Chinese New Year's. They do have the Lakers. And then they also have the 76ers. And I believe those are all going for $20. Let me ask and make sure though, because there's a $30 sign right there too. Yeah, all of them down to 20 bucks, man. All of these down to 20. And those right there, which are the Chicago Bulls right there. I don't recognize that one. I don't remember seeing those. And then got those Lakers ones with all the scribbling and stuff like that. I think they call it the Sketch or something, going for $30. Bel-Air Academy jerseys right there, the Will Smith jersey. Pass it to Will, pass it to Will. Like that was just hilarious. They got the yellow ones, they got the navy ones right there. Those are down to 30. And then they got the Tony Kukoc jersey right there. I'm pretty sure they did not wear those in 95, 96. Maybe they wore that for like a Chinese New Year thing. I don't think so. I don't remember seeing that. They have a Vince Carter Chinese New Year one in the back, and then they have a bunch of the Lakers Chinese New Year's going for $40. I think those retailed for, I want to say like $180. They were more than the 130 Swingmans. I think they were like 150, 160, 170. I don't remember, but yeah, those are going for $40, and they got that mess of a jersey going for $50. I'm so not a fan of those. All right, we are checking the sneaker section. See what's up here. All right, I did grab these earlier this week for $30. These are normally what, $65, so not bad. You could take these gibbets off. That's what we did right away. But I don't remember did we see this one here last time? Maybe we did. I guess this one came out with this one because both of them say English on the back. I don't really know what it's from, but got these. No price tag. I would think those are the same, but maybe not because these are going for $50, and this says English on the side too. So that's interesting. Like a galaxy colorway, and then I don't know the characters. I don't know any of these characters. Got these green ones going for $30. Colorful ones. I think I grabbed mine for like $20. And mine, I mean, for my kid, I grabbed one of these like a couple years ago. USA colorway right there for $30. There's a flame one right here. This is in the women's section for $40. God dang, dude. Why is this one still so much? Lined ones for $30. Colorful ones. Colorful ones right here. Stephen Harrington. Yeah, these are down to $30. And got some fluffy ones right here down to $32. Or $30 as well. All right, we are going to take a look at most of these sneakers for the people that are new. See if there's also something different, but these really stick out. There's no price tag on it, or there's no sales tag on it. This shows $160, but dude, these are fire, dude. I might end up getting these later in the winter. I don't know. I don't have any boots, and that's just a fire boot right there. Probably pretty comfy too. It is heavy, but that's what boots are supposed to be, right? 11 low IEs going for $150. We've seen that cheaper at many other retail stores, but these, we haven't seen these too much cheaper, especially at the retail shops. Got the 312s, the 312s coming out with so many different colorways. And yeah, they're starting to make it to the Champs outlet. I did skip over the 2 6 rings that they're not that great of a deal. And got AD signature shoe right here. I don't know what it's called, but it just says Series AD, so I don't know. Like, he's been struggling anyway, so you know, he looks like he's playing in these, slipping and sliding and not even doing much. Everybody's been dogging him. It's just funny. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't even watched the game, so I'm just clowning just to clown. But yeah, the ADs, the Series ADs, that's what these are called. Okay. Only got a size 10 of these Kyries right here. I did ask last week, unless they got more pairs, but I doubt it. Second colorway right here. These are 10.5 as well. 140 down to $60. I don't remember showing these last week, did I? The GT jumps right here. Normally $180 down to $100. These look like some serious basketball sneakers. So much Zoom Air on the heel, and I think there's Zoom Air in the forefront as well, which is pretty fire. Zoom separates. Some Jordans right there. Jordan 200Es. Air Max 90s. We've seen Air Max 90s so much cheaper in most of the spots. This does have the leather toe right here, which I like. I do like that being leather. Trae Young 2s right here. Going for $80. A couple more going for $80. We've seen them so much cheaper at the discount stores. Donovan Mitchell 3s. How do they even still have the 3s? The 4s are starting to be phased out, it seems like. Another colorway right here. I would assume these are 40 as well. Go ahead and ask if you need them. NMDs. NMDs go for cheap. Like, these are similar to the prices at Ross and Burlington right now. A couple of forums on the bottom. Got some top 10s. Got quite a few top 10s. Ultra Boost. Got a couple colors going for so cheap. Those are the web ones right there. Then, of course, I got to cover these. The T-Mac 3s, right? The T-Mac 3s. Pretty legit. Just all patent leather. $40. That is so freaking cheap. Stan Marsh, is that his name? Stan from South Park. He does have his own Stan Smith right there. That's going for $60. Pretty fire. Lego, what are these? X something ZX8Ks. Going for $60. Not bad. This Web Boost Adidas Ultra Boost is way down here. $100 for those. They do have the Bait RSX right here. I don't think I showed these last time. But yeah, these are definitely interesting. Yeah, it's like with the flash. Is that the flash right there? These are normally $120, so only $20 off. Cheapest MB1 we've ever seen. Never seen it for that low. That is a huge size though. Size 14, Big Feet Gang, getting some love, getting some deals, not bad. 574s, pretty fire. I love seeing these here because I am a huge fan of these 574s. Got a couple of them. I'll eventually get more. Then my favorite Reeboks here. The Kamikazes are okay. I'm not a huge fan of that colorway, to be really honest, but do got the answers and the questions. 25th anniversary one right here, going for hella cheap. I don't think I showed these. Look at these in the grade school section. I didn't even see this. Look at this. $5 for grade school ones. If any of you need these for Christmas, go ahead and order them, dude. These are freaking crazy. $5. And I said order them. I mean, come here and buy them. These are just crazy cheap. Holy cow. Dang, I might have to grab a couple of those for some family members. But yeah, I think that's about it. We did check out a lot of this spot. I did go over every sneaker section very carefully last time, so I'm gonna put a link to that. And yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up, dude. I'm gonna make a phone call to see if I need to buy some of those. We even checked out the hats and stuff like that, so I'll put a link for that video. All right, let's go. So they are limited in sizing on these. I think on that one, that was a 4.5. That's the last one, and then they have a few different sizes, but not many on that one. All right, so I did grab 2 of these. Wait, did I show you guys which ones? Yeah, so I did grab 2 of these for the niece and nephew. Size 7 grade school. $5, dude. $5 each. Freaking $10. This will get added to whatever Christmas present I end up buying them. We're just gonna throw that in for free. Well, it's a gift, so obviously it's free. But yeah, that's crazy. Funny, I was talking to one of the workers. I was like, man, we're talking about like the last time they had retros. That's the first retro they've had since I think before the pandemic, I was like, yeah, I remember seeing the chlorophylls here, the chlorophyll 3s. They used to have those. They used to have a few other ones. I was like, I remember that. I remember that. I feel bad. I feel dumb not getting the chlorophyll 3s, but yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. But yeah, I'm not necessarily all about the hype, stuff like that. I'm just about getting stuff for hella cheap, and this is pretty dope for hella cheap, man. I'm just saying, this is fire. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. All right, I parked right there, but I have to go to the restroom. But look at this. Forever 21 is gone. That was like one of their big stores. Freaking every store is gone. Holy cow, this mall is dead. AF, holy cow. Are there so many stores that are gone? Just nobody comes here. Damn, I forgot to have a Ross Burlington. Next time, I'm definitely gonna stop by Ross Burlington. I don't have time today. I have to go pick up my kid from school. But look, a store right there is closed. That one's closed. That food one right there is closed. Holy crap, half this mall. Look, that one's closed right there up top as well. That's insane, bro. Only other sneaker shop, they do got a Vans right here. But yeah, more stores that are closed. Like, this place is nuts, dude.